Alright, so earlier you have seen me how to put contact lenses into your eyes. Now naman, I'm gonna teach you how to remove contact lenses from your beautiful eyes. So this is how you do it. Make sure again, alright, that your hands are both clean, okay? Always remember that our eyes is the window of our soul. So make sure na hindi ma-irritate yung mata natin kasi sensitive part yan. Actually, my doctor don't encourage me to use contact lenses for fashion or kahit siguro sabihin natin for medication kasi it's not really that good. Kaya lang alam mo naman tayong Pinoy. Ayan. Mabilis lang ano, hindi nyo naman nakita o na syempre right tapos sunod left. And then make sure na yung index finger mo lang din tsaka thumb mo ang gagamitin mo. Tapos these two middle fingers, sila yung magsusupport ng upper and lower eyelids mo para protected ka while removing the lenses. And put these two soft or hard lenses into the chamber. Make sure that ginagamit mo yung sign R for right and L for left para naman um, protektado rin yung bawat lenses in each eyes in the future. Okay, so that's all for now. This is again Kite Sanchez and thank you for watching.